Why do reflows and repaints occur after DOM changes? Imagine you're editing a web page and suddenly the layout shifts or colors change unexpectedly. Ever wonder what causes these visual updates to happen behind the scenes? Well, when you change the HTML content of a web page, the browser has to update what you see on the screen. This process involves two main steps: reflow and repainted. Reflow happens when the browser needs to recalculate the size and position of elements because something has changed in the document structure or styles. For example, if you add a new paragraph or change the width of a box, the browser must figure out where everything should go now. This calculation is called layout or reflow, and it can take some time because it involves recomputing the entire layout tree. After reflow, or when only styles like colors or visibility are altered, the browser performs a repainted. Repainted means redrawing the affected parts on the screen without recalculating their layout. For instance, changing the background color of a button or hiding an element only requires a repainted. These processes happen because the browser needs to keep what the user sees in sync with the current state of the web page's code and styles. If it didn't update visually, users would see outdated or incorrect information. From a web development point of view, understanding why reflows and repaints happen helps you build faster websites. If you make too many changes or do them inefficiently, your page can become slow and unresponsive. To avoid this, you should group multiple DOM changes together instead of doing each one separately. Modifying classes instead of individual style properties can also cut down on recalculations. Be cautious about querying layout properties like offset width or get computed style repeatedly, because these can trigger forced reflows. Using CSS properties like transform and opacity for animations is better since they usually only cause repaints, not reflows. Keeping your DOM structure simple and using straightforward CSS selectors helps reduce the amount of layout recalculations needed. So, every time you change the HTML content or styles, the browser updates the visual display through reflow and repainted processes. Managing these updates wisely is key to making your web pages run smoothly and efficiently.